straight line depreciation, that word depreciation just means a loss in value, and straight line means that it's losing the same amount of value each time. Alright, that's all that means. So depreciation means that it is losing value. If it's straight line depreciation, it's losing the same amount each time. Okay? We have a formula to use for straight line depreciation. That's it there. It is S equals V0 minus dn. Alright, S equals V0 minus dn.
0.
Okay? So S,
No, I didn't put anything.
S is what we call the salvage price. Okay, so this is at the end of a time period, or what the current value after it has depreciated. Okay, so after all the depreciation has happened, this is what it's now valued at. So we call it a salvage price because oftentimes this thing is, well, pretty much all the time it is at least second hand. So it is salvage price. The V, or the V0. Alright. V0 is the original or purchase price. So that is what it cost when it was first bought. Okay? The D is the depreciation amount. So that's the amount that it depreciates by each time period. And N, what do you think N is going to be? Number of time periods. So that's all that is with that. Does that make sense for that formula at the moment? I can't catch. Yeah? So here's our example here. New car is purchased for $25,800. After 4 years, the salvage value is $15,160. What is the annual amount of depreciation if that amount is constant? So, we have some things to look at. We know this amount here. Which part of the formula is that amount? If it's the purchase price.
Is it
It's V.
It's going to be the V0. Okay? What about this one here?
That'd be the DN.
That's
That one's going to be the S because it's the salvage value. It's written here in the question. So that's the S. What about this value?
That's N.
That's going to be N.
Wait, where's the D then?
Alright?
That's what we have to find.
That is what we're being asked.
Oh, right.
So that's all the bits and pieces of information that we need. So let's do it. Let's get stuck in. So S equals V0 minus dn. Alright, we know what S is. S is 15,160. We know what V is. V is the 25,800. Alright, we don't know what D is, but we do know what N is. N is 4. Okay? So, a couple of things that we can do. We could have rearranged this to get D on its own, or we can rearrange this to get D on its own. Alright? A couple of things we can do, a couple of steps that need to happen. First, we need to take something from both sides to get these things over here. So I'm going to take 15,160 from both sides, simply because that means I'm going to keep working with a positive number at the end. I can take this one from both sides, but then I'm working with negative numbers, and that's just not very nice. So this is what I'm going to do. Alright, so that's where I'm going to go. So what will I be left with over here? I'm going to be left with 0. And what am I going to have over here? What's 25,800 minus 15,160.
10,640. So,
10,640
Yeah.
minus, I might change that just to 4D at the moment. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 4D to both sides, because it will cancel it out over here, but it will also move it over to here. So that'll leave me with 4D equals 10,640. Alright, so see how I've got nice positive numbers to work with? What can I do here now to get D on its own?
take it all.
You can't just take it off. I'm going to divide, because what am I actually doing by 4? I'm multiplying, so I need to do the opposite, so I divide. And what do I end up with? 4D. What do I end up with? What is 10,640 divided by 4? 3,660. And there's our annual depreciation rate. Alright, so that's how that all works.